Hi everyone, thank you to follow us on this electronic and electricity applied project. Today I'm gonna talk about the software library we used in our automatic cocktail mixing project. You have to know that in computer science, a library is a collection of uh, computer memory used by computer programs, often to develop software. These may include configuration data, documentation, help data, message templates, pre-written code, and subroutine classes, values, or type specification. So I will describe you which library we reused, where it comes from, and why it's useful in our project. So let's begin with the libraries coming from Arduino and used for Arduino software and hardware. And so let's begin with the serial library. This is used to communicate between the Arduino and other components. We are using it to communicate with the Raspberry Pi. Then the LCD is chosen because, like its name said, an LCD screen is used to display the different choices and the preparation state of the cocktail. So we need this library to display all the choice we want on the screen. The SD library is useful in our project too because it allows us to store a file in an SD card, and we need it to store a text file to store all the volume data. A two-wire sensor is also used in the project, so the SPI library is interesting because we need a goblet position sensor and the goblet filling one. So one position sensor and one filling sensor. In function of the components finally used, we will appeal this SPI library. Then, to go on with libraries used in the Raspberry Pi, let's talk about Python. Python, which is not really a library but more a language, is used to navigate in the files and allows us to use some controls. This is essential to acquire data from the text file. Then, to be able to communicate by Wi-Fi between Android and Python, the socket library is used. One of the last library we used is the Xamarin Studio library, already installed in the Android interface. This allows us to include different packages in the Android app used on a smartphone to order a cocktail. So that's it for all the libraries we need. It's really basic, I think, and so thanks for listening. I hope I was clear and useful for you. Thank you, bye bye.